Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to promote your ClickBank offer. So you've watched my last videos, you've gotten your promotion code or your link. Now how do you promote? So one way I'm going to teach you now is um, that you can use Google Sites, which is a free website where you can build your own like little site, and you can use that to promote your ClickBank offers to people. So so how do you do that, right? So what you want to do is you want to go to Google Sites. You want to create a blog. You want to create a blog. It could be about the things related to the niche of the product you're promoting. So I did Ted's Woodwork here. So I made a blog, the woodworking blog. So yeah, I write three main things. Learn, so like education. I teach them how to build, how to best tools to buy and stuff like that. Build, which is I give them build ideas, like build a chair, 15 best things to build as a beginner or something like that. And review, here I review Ted's Woodwork and other woodworks that I am affiliated to. And I just gave a little writing up what woodworking is, how it started, basically. Just a short little thing. I gave an about us here, and then like I put three categories. So learn is in two sections: how to make money from it, and and actual learning and stuff like that. Um, so yeah, basically you just write a blog of about 1,000, 2,000 words. It's not too hard. What you do is basically you model after another website. Do not copy from them because that's copyright, and you will get in a lot of trouble if you do that. But just read through like a paragraph at a time and rephrase it into your own words and write it in your own blog. So that's basically what you do, and keep doing that over and over until you have about like 30 um 30 blogs in total. So 5 for learn, 5 for build, and 5 for review. Um, and then yeah, scatter your affiliate link. I'll give you an example here. Here's one blog that I wrote here. Um, so it's basically for tips for beginners to get started. Um, I wrote what is woodworking. As you can see, there's a blue link that is connected to my affiliate link for Ted's Woodwork. Starting out small, but don't when you're doing this, don't spam your affiliate link everywhere. As you can see, I just put in a small in like one every few times. So like where it says click here, that's my affiliate link. If you want 1,000 or more ideas for beginners and pros, and then also add images because people like images, and section your stuff into different things like setting up a workplace, starting small, the right tools for you, stuff like that. And add a picture for each thing because people like pictures when they are reading. And just, yeah, it's just stuff like that. Scatter your affiliate link around there so that when someone reads it and they feel like, oh, this looks very helpful, they click on the link, they go to the Ted's Woodwork or whatever your affiliate link is, and they buy whatever the service is or product is, and you get a commission from that. So this is really a very good way of doing that. Plus, you could also like do a free product where you get their email, so that next time it'll be easier. You just send them an email saying, oh, we have this, blah blah blah. Learn how to learn how to become a pro in just a week or something like that, and you give it to them, the link to them in the email. They click it, they can buy it because you know they're interested in woodwork and they want to learn more about it too. So why would they not buy it? And that's how you could continually be making money from affiliate marketing using a simple blog like this. So yeah, that is and you can also section like plan out everything you're gonna write. So here I have a Google Sheets, and I have like what I'm gonna write. I wrote like 15 things I'm gonna write for learn, 15 things I'm gonna write for build, 15 things I'm gonna write for review, and yeah, it just makes it easier so you know right away what you're gonna write and you just get to work right away. Because the more blocks, the better. Because people will stay on your page for a longer time and read more and more and more, and that's when they'll really be like, oh, I really want to start this, or I really want to learn more, and they will purchase from your affiliate link. So that's how you do it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. Thank you for watching and sticking by, and good luck on your journey to making money from affiliate.